Okay, we're making the tuna pasta. What you need is a little bit of onions. You get your tuna. But before you do all that, of course, you got to prepare your pasta. And make sure you put it around. Bango-bango yan. Then after, you know, when we go camping and 4x4, you gotta always have your condiments. So put a little pecker. Pecker kasi hindi bakla, paminta yun. So pecker na lang. And then gagawin natin yung pampalasa dyan is basil. Put a lot of basil inside. But you don't put it all in yet. Mix it. And then after that we add a little bit of cream. Sir Bing said he wants it really creamy. He likes it creamy.
Delicioso.
Delicioso. Parang murang edad na cream.
Yung tawag nila ay cream pie.
There you go. Add a little bit of cream. That's what makes the sauce right there. So now you all know the secret trick to make a good meal when you go out. Hindi mahirap, sobrang daling gawin.
Elementary.
Mix, elementary lang yan. So inisip mo, paano ginawa ng mga Italiano yan? Di ko alam, pang Pinoy ito.
Taas grade dito sa home economics. Doon lang mataas grade eh.
Oo, PE. Pwede na PE.
Excited pag yun yung klase.
Yes, hold back. Yeah, go for it, bro.
Ito like it.
Okay, so now we have that there. Add more basil. Because you don't want to put the basil right away because it'll burn up. And then you add more basil when you put the cream. So part of the flavor sticks to the cream.
Tip question, kaya mo tinitikman habang or after na ng lahat?
Pwede before, pwede after. Pero when na-memorize mo na yan, no more need. Sige, tikman natin. I'm gonna use this. And then I'm gonna put it back in. So akala nyo yung mga chef malinis, puta, kumakamot din sa puwet yan. Sabay hinahawakan yung mga pagkain mo. Nagbabahay ka pa ng malaki. And then dipping it in.
Yun. May bisita tayo, nag-aabang yun.
Hey, abangers.
Si Blackie.
He's like, oh, masarap yun. Kailangan.
Kailangan ko magpakit.
Just mix it all up to get all the sauce on the pasta. In a few minutes, you'll be good.
Wala pa tayo napupunta. Nadi-dehydrate na siya.
Huh?
Nadi-dehydrate na. Low
Yeah.
heat mo na.
No, I wanted to, but it's sticky. I'll turn it off now then. So there you go. You got you some Big Wheel Bikes Adventure tuna pasta. That's cool. Yun, may lutang na tayo. Ay, CRG pala yan.